Hello guys and welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how to get NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. So, in order to do this, simply open any browser on your PC, go to the search bar, type in YouTube TV. Now it will take you to this page that says tv.youtube.com. Click on this link and this page will open up. Here, click on the sign in button. Now when you click on sign in button, it will instantly log you in to your YouTube TV account. Now, this will be the home page for YouTube TV, where you'll have to click on your profile icon at the top right side of the screen. Now, click on the settings gear icon at the top. Now, this will instantly take you to the settings page where you will see membership option. So, if you'll not be at default on this page, click on membership option from these menus. Now, on this page, you'll have to just scroll down and search for NBA League Pass. It will be available just right here. You will see NBA League Pass, all out of market games, entire season and monthly 7-day free trial. Now, simply choose the plan that you want. If you want the monthly plan, it will be for this much amount, and if you want a 7-day free trial, it will be for this much. Simply click on the add option after any one of these plans that you want to buy. For example, I will choose the monthly plan. I'll click on add after $109. This will open up this pop-up. Here, I will have to choose whether I want to pay with a credit or debit card, or I want to pay with my PayPal. So, I will have to just choose the payment method. After this, it will take me to the page where I can add my payment information. If I choose credit or debit card, I'll have to enter my credit or debit card details, then click on Start Membership. When I click on Start Membership, it will take me to a page where I will have to just put in the OTP received on my number, and my membership will instantly start. After that, I can easily get the NBA League Pass on YouTube TV. So that is a simple way to get NBA League Pass. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.